Good morning out there, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to my video. Happy December the 1st on this nice, cold, freezing morning here in South Georgia and beautiful Blackshear, Georgia. I hope everybody's having a great day. Okay, let's go ahead and talk for a minute here about tinkercad. Okay, you can find this website, tinkercad.com. Okay, tinkercad.com. Sign in using your Google account that's assigned to you through the school, and it's free. It's an awesome site. Okay, you can use this Tinkercad in order to develop designs. Last year, Miss Kelly Jacobs, our culinary teacher here at the school, hang on just one second, let's let that bell ring. Our culinary teacher here at the school, she wanted to make heart-shaped pancakes. But she did not want to spend the money on the cookie cutters that it took to make them. So I said, Miss Jacobs, no worries, I got you. I took the heart-shaped cookie cutter there, and you put a hole in it, and you print the outside and pour the inside full of pancake batter, and you got heart-shaped pancakes. Really simple. So we just made a few of them, put them out here on the print sheet, and made them up, and it was all good. And it's just that simple, guys. All right, so let's do something. I just deleted all that out. Let's do something that's a little more, shall we say, difficult. Your assignment today is going to be to make a person. I want you to design a person using all of the shapes that you see over here on the right. Now remember, let's just say I put this out here. This icosahedron, I believe is what that's called. So I put that out here on there, and I decided, oh man, I moved it the wrong way. I can press delete and it takes it back one more step. Press back, it takes it back one more step. Or I could just say, I don't like that at all. Delete, take it on out. I want to go with this shape, this design. All right. Now, the other thing that we can do, and it's hard to tell with this one because it's equal. So let's take this off. I'll put a diamond out here. I'll make it bigger so we can see it. All right. The other thing we can do is we can flip these shapes around. Okay? You can't really tell. You can see a little bit of adjustment. But these arrows rotate the object. Okay? Excuse me. These arrows on the bottom rotate the object. These arrows turn it upside down. Notice the lines on the top, how it's raised here, how it's raised now whenever I hit these arrows, then it actually flips it and turns it upside down. So we'll give you a side look at it. Okay, so now I'm here, and now I'm here, and I flip it. Okay, there's my flip arrow. So I can flip it upside down. I can grow it. I can shrink it. Okay, so I got it growing all the way. I know that's not going to print right, so I need to flip it. I can also grab it and rotate it here. All right, so Tinkercad. The reason why it's called Tinkercad is because the idea is that we want to get in it and tinker. We want want to get in it and we want to play around. We want to figure out how to design things. So once again, your assignment for today is to design a person. Design a, I don't know, you could call it a comic book character or a superhero or whatever it is that you want to design. But it needs to look like it's in the form of a human with at least 2 arms and 2 legs. If you want it to have 3 arms and 3 legs, that's fine too. But as long as it looks like it's in the form of a human. We are designing a human today. All right. So once again, I hope everybody's doing well. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me through email, and I will get back to you. All right, guys. Y'all take care. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.